Hey guys, it's Mindy Martell from Clothier Design Source. I just wanted to check in with everybody and share something that I've been working on for quite a while that I had planned to launch in November of 2020. But because of everything that's going on around us, mainly COVID-19 and the pandemic crisis, we've decided that to move up the launch date to now. So the reason is it's a community that we're building. It's called the Apparel Academy, and it's bringing together a bunch of apparel entrepreneurs, anybody that joins the community, and then we're going to meet once a week virtually. There's lessons every week about how to start your apparel line, how to make sure you're making the right decisions. We go over things like reviewing your target market, reviewing your mission statement, and then we get into the nitty-gritty stuff about the apparel industry, like how many sizes do you want to carry? How do you know what your sizing should be? What kind of labels do you want? Costing, how do you know how to cost things? How do you know how to price things? Understanding fabric yield, understanding how to find the right fabric, things like that. It's 20 lessons in all. And so how it works is you watch one lesson a week, then we get together and meet virtually once a week. You meet as a group, you get to know the people in your group, you're all peers, you're all in this together, you're starting an apparel line, and a lot of you have the same types of questions, but all of you have unique products. So it's a really wonderful way to get a respite from everything that's going on around us. I've been running a pilot program for a while, and yesterday we had one, and it was so delightful to have a full hour where we didn't talk about the pandemic. We actually had a lesson about labels yesterday, and we got to just focus on the future, and everyone got to hear everyone else's questions, anything they were running into as problems, and then I'm there as a guide as well to help with my experience of launching, over 3,000 apparel lines over the years. So it just seems like perfect timing. We all want to focus on the future, and this pandemic is going to go away. We all are going to come out the other side. And when we do that, anybody who can be in the Apparel Academy with me can be ready to launch their apparel line when we come out the other side. So I'm going to be leaving more details about the Apparel Academy tacked on to the end of this video, but I just wanted to give a little intro about it and why we're launching it now, and how I think it's a perfect way to kind of escape all this craziness and stay focused on the future, and get everyone ready for when this whole thing blows over, and do it together, do it as a community. And it's really kind of an uplifting thing to have that hour where we get to talk about the future and talk about something else. So I hope to see you there, and watch for more details. All right, brand new app, Apparel Academy app, perfect for these times during this pandemic. You can download it for free. You get a bunch of free content about how to launch your apparel line. And then if you want to take it a little deeper, you can become a member and get access to these 22 lessons on how to start your apparel line. We go over one lesson a week. We meet virtually as a group, and you get connected to a whole bunch of peers that are in the same exact position as you, new apparel entrepreneurs. So best part of the app, you're part of a community of new apparel entrepreneurs. You're getting a meeting once a week. You get 22 lessons. And then if you want to just check it out, we do have, under the home button, we do have a bunch of free resources as well. If you're thinking of joining, click the product launch page, push join now, and we'll get you set up with a group right away.